Welcome back, everyone. Aftab here again, and I welcome you to my channel. Real time analysis and trading room number 43. Time is passing by so quickly. Even how soon, like this is the 43rd live stream. Did you guys book profits yesterday from this move on the 15-minute? It was good. I had got an internet problem yesterday, so I couldn't finish the stream properly. Sorry about that. But take profit one already hit right here for this entry. There was this entry we have. The actual take profit was up there. So take profit one hit, and then obviously the market came back down and 39.68, another buy opportunity. Until now, so far, this opportunity is valid. 300, like around 320 pips. Now see, those who are looking for profits again and again and again, and they are keep giving it back to the market. To all of you, I want to say why you are giving back everything to the market. So now we have to actually see this market is no doubt very nicely trading at the moment, but the thing is, let's have a little bit look at the yesterday's candle close. Let's understand the whole situation. We have this situation. Even yesterday I discussed it, but today I want to take it one step further so that you understand. There was this candle we had. You see this one? Wednesday. Then this one is Thursday. This is Friday. And this is yesterday, I mean the Monday. Right after this, what we have seen is we have seen a good bullish candle. All the way from as this. Sorry about bad drawing. And then right after that we have got this candle, and I will be explaining it for all of you so that you understand. And then yesterday's candle was again sort of like a bullish, but did not closed very nicely bullish. So this is a classic example of price action. Right. Now I want to ask you what these candles tells us. And right here we have a change of character already present. See, this candle failed, this candle failed, this candle failed, and finally this one continue. So 1, 2, 3. I mean, 3 consecutive candles was printed on the daily to the sell side of the market, finally reaching to 38.92 somewhere, 38.80. You will know these were my levels. This chair is so much noisy, but anyways, bear with me. So what? Now, as a forex trader, everyone listen to me very carefully. You have to, as a trader, we need to understand the price action. Now, some people call it the strategy, but understand what I say, okay? If you are watching this stream later, the recorded version, make sure to watch it completely, because in each and every lesson or every live stream, I try to give a lesson to everyone, because my goal is clear in front of all of you. So strategy, people look at it as strategy, but I will say this is not the strategy, this is information, my friends. You know, teaching is my passion, okay? That's why I go so much into the details of it. So this information is present in the market right now. As a forex trader, when you will also be becoming professional traders, pro traders, you will also be looking at the market this way. You know, market makers look at this information, they don't ignore it. They look at the information, they say, okay, market printed this candle, nice, a good breakout candle, we should say. Good breakout candle. And this candle was like just a breakout candle to break this support right here. And one more thing, why, let me write it down, why we are doing this. Why we need to read candles? Because obviously we are going to invest money right here. And if I ask you what are these terms, what is this? Can someone let me know in the chat box? Till then, I will quickly check the audio video. And leave a like, everyone, okay? Hello, Sahar, how are you doing? Remember, when we ignore this information, we make very less profits, right? So right here, what I see at this particular moment is market is not moving. And I will be summing up everything, okay? So just don't get bored. This is the candlestick analysis, I should say. Right here, if you see this one, market printed bearish candle, then bullish engulfing candle, BEN, bullish engulfing C candle. Then the volume disappeared. Right here and right here, the volume completely disappeared. Where did that volume go? If these strong bulls are into the market, why they are not? Why they don't push it up? Now we have this information, number one, candlestick reading, which we call price action. Yes, my friends, when you try to become good traders, you have to read the candles. Why? Because there is emotions. Candles tells us about emotions of the people, of the trader. So if these bulls are into the market, why they don't push it up? Number one, we have candlesticks. What are candlesticks? Candlesticks are reading price action. Candle tells us about emotions of the traders. This is an information for us. We understand the mood of the market with candles. You know, when I give you an analysis, why that go nicely? Each and every week, every pair I discuss, I read these candles. I run my 7 step strategy, the 7 pillar. Okay, but I don't want to go there. So, one, price action. And what this price action tells us, number two, is if these bulls are into the market, why they don't push it up? Because obviously if this was a bullish, we should ideally see the market as this. But that's not the situation. If you want to take a screenshot, take it, then I'm deleting this. So we come into a conclusion that why, let me quickly check if you can see the pen or not. Just one moment. Then I will be trading as well. Leave a like till then. Okay, this is my tiny fee that I charge from you. Like, it's free from your side, right? Okay, let's see. Great. It's good. Sahar, Alhamdulillah, how are you doing? Thank you so much for your time and sharing knowledge. Thank you, dear. So, why is this market not going up? If I tell you it is going up, I already book profit. One of my other member already make profit from here. Even yesterday in the live stream, I make profit with all of you. But I mean, this was around 300 pips worth of move. This tiny candle, you see. But my friend, the thing is, I don't see the interest of bulls in this market till now so far. And I will say for scalping, it is good today. For scalping, it is good today. Otherwise, the bulls and the bears, everyone is just like indi. What is the right spelling for indecision? Let's see. Indecision going on in the market, right? Let me show you a technique in which I personally do this way. I will see, okay, right here, this is a double bottom we have. Then I will see, is there any divergence? Yes. So I will write it down. Double bottom plus divergence. What after that? The market continue bullish. This level was broken. Okay. Now this is the structure. Okay. It go from here, retested this zone, continue bullish. Where did it stop? It stopped near the previous resistance. From the resistance it dropped, it took another support, and this is another retest. Now count, okay? Retest, retest, trade. Double bottom plus divergence trade. Retest trade. Sorry. Just give me one moment. It took a bit time. So retest, then it go nicely from here till here and here. Count, okay? Another 61.8, another resistance. From the resistance it dropped to what place? That same retest. It go back up, came back down. There was this trade of this retest. Yesterday we took it live. Then from this resistance it dropped and again it came back down to this retest. Stay with me, because if it breaks below today 39.59, it can drop back to approximately 39.20. And as far as it is trading above 39.70, it will be going back up to 4046, approximately 4038. This much simple it is. Now tell me, is there any rocket science? Just count, okay? Count. Number 1 trade, second trade, third trade, fourth trade, fifth trade, sixth trade, seventh trade, 7 bullish trades. So anyone who saw my weekly forecast and remain bullish got 7 setups. And if I count, the number of pips will be more than, for these whole 7 trades, the number of pips will be more than 3000. The thing is, we guys don't look at the market with a wider angle. We just like here and there, if someone tell us that okay it is going there, then we trade that way. If another person tell us something else, then we follow that person. See, like this is a trader, Mr. A. If I give you my own example, when I was a beginner, a person would say it is going bullish, I became bullish, lost. If a person say from right here it is going further bullish, I bought, lost. If a person say it is dropping from right here, I say no, I have listened to these two persons. That time they were because of them I have lost the money. This time I have to listen to my own self. And then right here, when I sold with such a stop loss that I book this much of a profit and miss this whole drop move. So if one is trading this way, what is the point of it then? It's better not to trade then. Huh? When people come to me and when I train them and when I find that okay, this person, the chances are that if this person remain in the forex, the chances are this person will lose his everything and he will come on the road. I immediately declare that person not fit for trading. Okay, so this trade I gave in the weekly forecast, this trade even I gave yesterday. So this is the recent level, nearest one, 4015 approximately. At least this much it can give. If not, we just book the stop loss, fine, no problem. Okay, take a screenshot of it if you want, then I want to proceed further. You can rewind it, okay? In the recording, it will be present. So my friends, this is gold, okay? And this is how it is. For now, I will be declaring it as a, I can declare it as a range as well, because you see it is established on a this trend line, and below this trend line people are going to sell it. Above this trend line people will be trying to take it back to 4038. This much simple it is. Now tell me what is difficult in it. And break above 4060 and retest, further up move. Simple. Do you have any question in this gold structure for now? Then I go further. No question? Good. Then there is this other structure of euro dollar. Hey, congratulations everyone. Do you remember I said right here? Right here. What was the date? Approximately on 3rd October. I said it's dropping, it did. Simple. I shared there is one setup still running in my group as this. $1.13, and in the very long term it can obviously come back down till here, but maybe I cannot assume it because I want to treat it very differently. My system is a little bit very safe, to the safe side, okay? I just don't put all the eggs in one basket, okay? Because if the basket drops, everything will be gone, all the eggs will be broken. Even in the weekly forex forecast video I said this market is now going to cover this candle, and right here it is. So for the missed out traders this was a good level, but 1.1618 they couldn't make it. I shared this in a group. And let's see, similarly on 6th of October I became bearish on the pound dollar all the way right here. Here, exactly from right here. Even in the weekly forecasts what I say, 1.27, and it is approaching right here very soon. Even in this weekly forex forecast what I said, that this candle is an indecision candle. This is how we run, like we read the candles. Okay, so I was trying to start a 5k challenge today, but the account is getting delayed for some reason, so it will be a real account. I will be trading all in front of you, but I wanted to show you this price action analysis today. So I show up right here, and since there are very less viewers, so I will say to all of you, just rewind this session again and watch it again, understand the concepts that I'm giving you. So I will try to start trading from tomorrow live right here. Every trade we take live, every trade we close live. So yes, then things will start to become more easy for all of you. So till tomorrow, take a lot of care of yourself. I will go for prayer, and yes, then we see what tomorrow brings to us. Take a lot of care of yourself. Goodbye.